Hey, it is Travis with Food Forest Design, Minnesota, coming to you from Roberts, Wisconsin. And today I'm going to be getting as much of this deer fence completed as possible. I think it's supposed to rain this afternoon about 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna get as much done as I can by 2 o'clock, which I'm thinking I should have it at least halfway wrapped. I have to put the Deadman posts in, and I have some images of what those are. Basically what a Deadman post is. Okay. I have all my corner posts and my gate posts. They get a Deadman, which is basically a cross brace that attaches to the top of the post, and then I have another post that goes into the ground against here, I'll show you. Basically, here, let me turn you around. All right, this I'm going to dig up 1 foot hole about I'll show you here. This will be going, let me get this out of the way. It's going to be like this, okay? And there's going to be one here and one going the other way. And basically what happens is I bury that little chunk of 4x4, a little block, I bury that, and then this post will butt up against that, and then I will bury it, tamp it down with my tamper, and it will add more support in these corners. But I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. And then these are your posts. Okay, here is what you have. You have this sleeve here, and what I do is pound that in all the way, and then you slide your your post into it. So I will be pounding these in. I'll be putting, I think, 14 of these in the ground, and then slide my posts in, and then that's after I get my Deadmans on all these corner posts and these 2 gate posts. And then once I get all these posts up, I will be putting a ring on there. Let me show you. All right, here's a ring. Let me open this. All right, this is a larger ring that goes on this size post here. But what you do, there's gonna be one on the bottom of the post, one on the top of the post. Okay, and you can see the hole there. It's gonna be on the top of every post going around, and then I will attach. Okay, we got this roll here of let me get my knife over here. Cut that open and I'll show you what we got here. There we go. See, we got our cord here, and we run this cord around the bottom. There's a bottom run about 6 inches or 3 inches off the bottom, and about 3 inches off of the top, and then we run it all the way around, and then we tighten it up. There's a tool I have. It's called a oh, what are these things called? I can't remember the name off the top of my head, but I will make a video of that too when I get to that point. And then after we get it all tightened up with that, then it's time to start wrapping the fence, and that goes pretty quick. So yeah, hopefully I get to that point today. I'm sure I will. But anyway, that's what we got for going for today. And then I gotta fill all these holes back in with all the soil I took out when I dug the holes for these posts. But anyway, have an amazing day, my friends, and grow food, not lawns. See ya.